Good morning, day number 2. 53 degrees. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and we're gonna pack up our stuff and grab some breakfast and head over to the Awasi Trail for a, 5-6 mile trail. Enjoy a good day hiking and then a good day of camping. Made a nest, eh? File coming open on here. I think it's like 8 or something. I don't know, but I can't log into it. Ow. Can't get into it. All right, so camp's torn down. We're gonna go grab some apple fritters and go find our next trail to hike.
But you are. Give me my fritter. Okay, I'm awake. God, we should have had these for dinner last night. I can't believe how fast you wolfed. Oh, that's right. You're a fast eater. How'd you wolf it down so? These things are huge. And you had that Pop-Tart on top of that.
And a coffee.
He's ready to go.
He's after the toilet.
We just finished up breakfast here over Batchewana Bay, and we are gonna head up to the Awasi Trail and hike this, 5-6 mile loop. Definitely looking forward to it. So we're at the trailhead here for the Awasi Trail. It's about a 6 mile loop. Got a nice chunk of elevation, get some nice views, looks like over Lake Superior, and looking forward to a nice hike with these guys.
Yeah, the running joke is when you see it, I'm like, oh, there's more on me.
Things work out well.
Here we are at our first overlook. Beautiful, beautiful spot here.
That small one. Thank you. We're starting right in.
Wow. So after a mile, about a mile and a half, the long uphill climb has come to an end. Now I'll just be walking along this ridge and expecting some nice views over the next few miles. All right, coming up on our next view of the trip. Let's go have a look. See what we got. Here we go. Look at this. Nice. What a sweet view. Feeling good?
Oh yeah. Like I say, this one and Toe were awesome climbs.
Coming up on another overlook, which is cool. Let's check it out. Nice.
Two more, I think. One or two more. No, at least one more.
Nice view over the Agua Valley. Another overlook. Let's go check it out. Beautiful view over the Agua River Valley. Big climb. Real big climb after that view. So we're about 3.5 miles in, and now we begin the long descent back to where we started. For the next couple of miles, a few miles maybe. Yeah, be careful.
I do sidewinders on these. I don't like running toe down.
Yep. Coming into a nice big stream here. Really pretty. Wow. Be careful.
Yep.
Be careful, Mark.
I'm just going a different way.
All right, who did it better? Let's see.
I think it's easier to go right.
Cool. Keep going down. It drops there again.
Oh yeah.
The stream. Yeah, I would definitely.
This trail is really enjoyable. Really great views and the streams and that. It's just really a cool trail. Now we start the long descent back to where we started. So probably another 1.5 miles or so, I'm guessing.
Oh, how loose is this loose? Yeah, this is the way.
That's a good one, yeah. So we are in the last stretch here, back to the parking lot and finishing this trail. Nice easy hiking now, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do with the rest of the day. So we make it back to Pancake Bay and maybe take a dip in the lake. The chilly lake. And just like that, we are back at our intersection, and we're gonna shoot down this little connector trail to the parking lot.
Oh, nice pup.
Yeah.
Beautiful pup.
So this is our home for the night. We are at back at Pancake Bay. This is our home for the night, and check it out. We have our own private access to Lake Superior. Good site selection, Mark. What is this? Original barbecue. Look good or what?
What is it, beef?
It's some kind of a chicken barbecue. So old Pokey and I are just enjoying a little beach time here on the Pancake Bay. As you can see, Skidmark's still setting up his tent, I think.
Beautiful beach.
Beautiful beach is right. Now, do we go in? Do we get in the water?
That's the question.
Not too bad.
Better than I thought.
I heard that. Woo! You didn't go under yet.
It'd be a nice way to clean up. Fresh? I feel $1 million.
So we have been enjoying a nice, quiet afternoon on Pancake Bay here. With some spirited political and environmental and all sorts of crazy discussions. But it's been nice. These guys are a lot of fun and just a really great trip. So yeah, I think we're gonna start talking about dinner and figure out what we're gonna do. So I'm just cooking up dinner here. Steak that my wife got for me, and she prepared some potatoes in that too, so cook those up in a little bit. Skidmark and Pokey, they headed into town. They were gonna grab some food and bring it back, so look forward to seeing them in just a little bit, but in the meantime, just got the fire going and getting some dinner ready.
Oh yeah. All are welcome.
These are purple. What are these? Purple. That's kind of fancy.
Potatoes. They're potatoes. That's the color there when you buy them.
Purple potatoes?
Yeah, I forgot what they're called. West Farm Market sells them.
Also, that's all so you won't notice.
True. I will not. End of day number 2 here. We're wrapping it up here by the campfire. I've been watching a movie on the side of an igloo cooler, Backcountry, if you've ever seen it. It's actually a pretty good movie. And it's been a fun day. Some hiking, some beach time. Just a really great time here in Ontario. We'll see you in the morning. All right, good morning. Day number 3, 55 degrees here on the shores of Pancake Bay. And a beautiful, beautiful morning over Lake Superior. So we're just tearing down camp and gonna hit the road actually. So we'll wrap this one up and say goodbye to Canada, and until next time. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment and all that stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.